Japanese women have learned centuries ago that rice face masks have a lot to give when it comes to skincare. I personally love rice face masks. I love the effect that rice has on my skin. After a rice mask, my face feels super hydrated, plump and supple, smooth and even toned, and very youthful. Natural face masks with rice offer gentle, balanced care which, with consistency and persistence, leads to much better, longer-lasting results than layering harsh, heavy products. Whether you use rice grains, rice water or rice flour, you can rest assured your skin is getting only the best organic nourishment. Here's a popular Japanese rice face mask recipe that I have recently made. The texture is super smooth and so rich that it feels really luxurious. Boil the rice until the grains are completely soft, but make sure it's not completely dry. Now blend it until it looks like a puree. Put the boiled rice on a cheesecloth, a pantyhose or a small net washing bag, and squeeze it to get a gel-like liquid. Don't throw the rice left in the strainer. Reserve it to make the scrub. We need 2 teaspoons cooked and blended rice, and 1 teaspoon of glycerin oil. And 1 teaspoon rose oil. Mix all the ingredients very well. Apply over the face and neck and leave until it gets dry, about 20 minutes. Remove with plenty of warm water. The skin will be clear and super smooth. You can apply it to your hands too. Let's move to the second recipe. For the scrub, we need 2 teaspoons leftover cooked and blended rice, 1 teaspoon green tea, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Mix it well. Gently massage this scrub on your face and neck in circular motions for about 5 minutes. Leave it on for about 15 minutes and rinse it off with warm water. Try it once a week and you will get an amazing result. This rice scrub is very gentle to the skin. So don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.